Page 260. This is practicing the major scales in group 1, the arpeggios in group 1, and the dominant 7th. I don't think this is anything new. This is just a review. Okay, I don't use the groups, but the book is, so okay. Group 1, we got where you're starting on a white key. Everything except the B. We're doing them all except the B, I think. C, D, E. There's no F, G, A. Okay, everything except the F and the B then. Okay, we're doing those, whatever. That's how they're grouping. Just do the scales. I don't do them by groups. I just go around the circle of fifths. You do it however your teacher tells you to do it. But I got videos and all this stuff. I use those. And the arpeggios also is here. Whatever you're doing there. 2 octaves probably should be, by now, doing 2 octaves. You know. And of course the dominant 7th. Hopefully you got these down pretty much by now. You can at least play them slowly, evenly, and get to the point where you don't need to look at the keyboard even with the arpeggios.